everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cucumbers, and I have a list of food and flavor combinations that are known to work well with cucumbers. So if you're looking for something different, you want some specific ideas on what to combine with cucumbers just so you can come up with a new dish, a new salad, new something, a new recipe idea. Hopefully this will help you out. Combine cucumbers with almonds, avocados, cumin, and mint. How about cucumbers with avocados, chilies, chives, lime, and yogurt? Cucumbers with avocados, lemon, and dill. Cucumbers with basil, garlic, and tomatoes. Cucumbers with beets and yogurt. Cucumbers with buttermilk, dill, and scallions. Cucumbers with chili, cilantro, lime, and scallions. Cucumbers with chilies, cilantro, and peanuts. Cucumbers with chilies, jicama, and lime. Cucumbers with cilantro and mint. Cucumbers with coconut milk and mint. Cucumbers with cumin, lime, mint, and yogurt. And yes, the list is long here. Cucumbers with dill, garlic, and vinegar. Cucumbers with dill, mint, and yogurt. Cucumbers with dill and salmon. Cucumbers with feta cheese, lemon, and mint. Cucumbers with feta cheese and walnuts. Cucumbers with feta cheese, tomatoes, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a pinch of oregano. Cucumber with garlic and herbs of your choice like mint, dill, or parsley, plus a little yogurt. Cucumbers with garlic, lemon, olive oil, and oregano. Cucumbers with lemon, lime, mint, scallions, and tofu. Cucumbers with lime, mango, parsley, and red onions. Cucumbers with mint and yogurt. Cucumbers with red onions, olive oil, cider vinegar, dill weed, and salt. Cucumbers with rice vinegar, sesame seeds, and soy sauce. And cucumbers with strawberries and cream cheese. How's that for some different way to end this list? I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.